Hey everybody, it's Lone Star Rocker Channel here with Violet today, and we're at Universal Studios. And we're going to try to go on the Gringotts ride and also get a magic wand. So let's hang out! Woo! We got temperature checked already. I've never been in the Harry Potter area where they get out the wands. I don't know what it's called, do you?
It's called Diagon Alley.
Diagon Alley. Okay, so we'll head there first. It doesn't seem ultimately crowded. So hopefully we'll get there pretty quickly when it's like 8 in the morning, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. I would like to see the Blues Brothers show, but we're going to beeline it over to the Harry Potter area, to Diagon Alley. Wow, huh? So now we need to find where the magic wands are.
And then we could buy one for $195.
I don't know if they're that expensive, but we will try to find a reasonable price one. Oh, there's the dragon. Let's see. Thank you. Violet, which one did you get?
I got the hazel one, I think.
The hazel one. Okay, great. So Violet, show me your wand that you got here.
I got hazel.
Okay, great. And you got your map? So we can try to find some interactive magic.
Yeah.
That's going to be great. Maybe you're too close. There you go. There you go. Hey, good job, Violet. So I think we're gonna get on Gringotts here. We'll be waiting for over an hour. Let's see what this is all about. Come on.
Note that on this attraction, sanitized 3D glasses will be handed out individually to each guest prior to boarding. These glasses are sanitized prior to each use. As a reminder,
Lots of gold. I'm here to make a withdrawal. See the man sitting up there counting his beans. He's a bean counter. Who's that? Who is that?
Those who are tempted to steal from Gringotts have always lived to regret it. At least some of them did, but they've all regretted it.
It's my money. Don't mess with my money. So my brother told me this was the best ride he's ever been on in his entire life. So we're gonna put that to the test. I hope this wait was worth it. Oop.
throughout our parks. We have also implemented attraction-specific procedures for the health and safety of our guests and team members. Be sure to maintain a minimum of 6 feet or 2 meters between your travel party and other guests.
What are these things, huh? Is this their armor? Their battle armor. Don't you touch my gold. Pretty cool.
You must be at least 42 inches in height to run, unless you are a goblin. Expectant mothers and individuals with heart, neck or back conditions or abnormal blood pressure, medical sensitivity.
Ooh. Get her goggles.
The defences have been set off. There must be imposters in Gringotts. I don't think so badly strange. I can't be sure.
Well, let's try to find out then.
They didn't do anything.
Yes, that's up to me.
Look, I'm sorry about that. Harry, what are you doing here? Get him out of here. There's going to be trouble.
Remember imposters. They set up defenses against us.
Hey, Cal, Josh, they're going to the crucial. Welcome to Gringotts. Perfectly safe. What's the name of Marlin you're doing? We've got the whole. She's bringing you scouts. I'll send you ahead to explore that. He'll get you into a vault for safety. We can't you Harry Potter. He was in your vault, don't you?
I thought they were brilliant, muggles.
Whoa!
It's a little dose of pain to help you remember.
Yes, or we'll destroy you.
We'll get you out of here. Where are you going?
awesome.
Was it awesome?
Worth the wait.
Worth the wait? High five on that? Oh, let me make sure I get my mask on right. Anyway, that is our trip to Gringotts ride. What'd you think of it?
It was awesome.
It was great. Pretty good for that wait, I have to admit, and I'm so thankful we got to go. Anyway, we're gonna head down to West Palm Beach and get some spring break action on. I hope you liked the video. If you like what you see, please subscribe and have the most rocking day.
Bye.
Bye. Hello? Is there anybody home? Hey there.